Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse a YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a product tag to a Pinterest pin. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. So let's head over to create a pin, and here let's drag and drop, click to upload, or I'll just click and upload one. Alright, now I'll select an image. Let's go this one, and I'll make the aspect ratio. This is more catchy to your eyes, so update changes, looks what better. Add your title here and tell everyone, just create a description of this pin, and then please click on this icon to add product tag products, and from here you can add products. Click on this, and then you can select an URL. Use an URL. You can use it to paste here your URL with your product, and it will add your image as well. So just enter your website URL, or you can search for pin title description for products, all products, and save product. That's pretty much how you can add a product to your pins. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.